Hi, I'm back. In this video, we are going to master JavaScript arrays. But first, let's understand what are arrays and why do we use them. An array is a built-in data structure that allows you to store multiple values in a single variable. Let's say you have a big box with many small compartments inside that can hold different things like toy or a book. An array is like a special container that holds many different items like numbers, words called elements. The index indicates the position of the element within the array starting from 0 and so on. Arrays are helpful because they allow us to keep track of many things in one place. JavaScript provides numerous built-in methods to manipulate arrays effectively. Let's explore some of those methods one by one. So the first one is push. So the push method adds one or more elements to the end of an array. Over here we have an array called number with initial values of 1, 2 and 3. The push method adds the value 4 and 5 to the number array. The console logs statement outputs the updated number array 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the syntax for the rest of methods is almost the same, so I won't be explaining each one of them. The next one is pop. Pop removes the last element of an array. The example of this would be the same as the previous one with just a difference of method name in the syntax. The next one is shift. Shift removes the first element of an array and also update the indices of the elements. By indices, I mean position of each element in the array. The example of this would be the same as the previous one with just a difference of method name in the syntax. Next one is unshift. It is basically the reverse of shift that we have seen previously. In the example, we have added 0 and 1 to the main array, which is 2 and 3, and it logs out 0, 1, 2, 3. Concat basically combines two or more arrays and returns the new array. In the example, we have an array with the name of numbers and the other one with the name of more numbers. In the third line, we are combining them with the concat method, and in the fourth line, it is basically returning their result. The slice method returns a new array that contains a shallow copy of a portion of an existing previous array. What do I mean by this? Let's understand with the help of an example. In the first line, we declare an array called fruits and it has 5 elements. In the second line, the slice method is called on the fruit arrays. It extracts a portion of the array starting from the index 1 and ending at the index 3, which is exclusive, means not included. Therefore, it will extract the elements at the index 1 and 2, which are banana and cherry respectively. The next one is splice. Splice method changes the content of an array by removing or replacing existing elements. This is the example of splice. In the second line, the first parameter 2 represents the starting index from which the operation will begin. In this case, it is 3 in the array. The second parameter 2 represents the number of elements to remove from the array starting from the given index. The third and subsequent parameters A and B represents the element to be inserted at the specified index. The map creates a new array from calling a function for every array element. In the example, the dot method is used to create a new array called doubled. The callback function is applied to each element in the numbers array. The callback function multiplies each number by 2, resulting in a new array which is 2, 4, 6, 8. And the filter method creates a new array with all the elements that pass a certain condition defined by the provided function. Here, the filter method is used to create a new array called evens. The callback function checks if each element in the numbers array is divisible by 2. Only the even number past the condition are included in the new array, which are 2 and 4 for each. As the name suggests, it will do operation on each element of the array. In the example, the for each method is used to iterate over each element in the fruits array. The callback function is executed for each element, printing each fruit to the console. That's it for today. Check out my ebook if you really want to master JavaScript.